This beauty is a homemade hot sauce. Not only that will lift you out of your chair, but also pour a healthy dose of life into your veins. Anyone who likes spicy food should have their own tried and taste recipe for a homemade hot sauce. And if you don't know how to make it, now I will show you how to do it. Use your favorite chili peppers. I have 3 red and 3 yellow ones. If you combine the peppers with green ones, you will get a brownish color. Cut off the stem. You can leave the seeds. I will take them out. Cut the peppers lengthwise and remove the seeds with a teaspoon. If you like spicy food, you will definitely want to expand your recipe collection. In that case, you might be interested in how to make chili paste, which you can find on the card or in the description below the video. Chop the peppers and put them into a blender. Add 2 medium onions to the blender. Chop 2 red peppers. If you like this video, please subscribe and leave a comment. 3 medium garlic cloves, a generous pinch of salt. Close the mixer and blend everything into a coarse consistency. About 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Add the entire blended mixture. Add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Stir and continue cooking. Meanwhile, chop 3 medium tomatoes and put them in a blender. When the mixture is happily bubbling in the pan, add the blended tomatoes. Rinse the blender with a little apple juice, then pour the juice into the pan. Use a total of 250 ml of apple juice. Bring to a boil and cook for about 5 minutes. 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of dried garlic, 70 ml of apple cider vinegar. Cook over low heat for about 10 minutes without a lid so that excess liquid can evaporate. Season with pepper and salt. The most important ingredients for seasoning hot sauce are salt and vinegar. Let the mixture cool for 5 to 10 minutes. Put the whole mixture into a blender and blend it to the desired consistency. I will mix it until it is almost smooth. I like this consistency. Prepare sterilized bottles or jars and pour the sauce into them while it is still warm. Use a funnel. After pouring, wipe the edges with a paper towel and close the bottle. Absolutely beautiful. Now you have made your own homemade hot sauce. Do you like spicy meals? If so, you can check out my loaded nachos recipe, which you can find on your screen or in the description below the video. Thank you for your time, likes and sharing with your friends. See you next time.